On boarding a flight, we noticed that there were just 24 passengers on the whole airplane. Airlines are running at just 10% capacity. That's a 16-hour flight. We left United States after living here for around 10 years.
We landed in Sydney at 7 pm in the evening. It took us a little over 3 hours to make our way to Novotel, Sydney. Upon arrival in Australia, there is a 14-day mandatory quarantine policy laid out by the government. When we landed, after our immigration was done, we were escorted to an area which had many medical nurses. They took our temperature and gave us information with regards to COVID-19. From there, the Armed Forces of Australia escorted us to hotel. For us, all the baggages were handled by them. We have been made to check in at Novotel at Darling Harbour. It's a 4.5-star hotel. It's in the heart of CBD. And as you can see, our room is quite spacious, very well equipped. We have also been given the first meal since our arrival. And we will be provided 3 meals a day. While checking us in, they took all our dietary restrictions into consideration, so that's something that I truly appreciate. We were also told that there will be doctors, physicians and psychologists present in the hotel 24/7 should we feel the need to consult them. There will be mandatory checkup that will be done in a couple of days. They will be taking temperature and swabs for corona testing, and our stay here is for 14 consecutive 24-hour days. As you can see, the view from our hotel is fantastic. The room is very, very comfortable. We are in the heart of CBD and it's fantastic. One thing to note is that even though we came here from United States, which has been one of the worst hit as far as the pandemic is concerned, we were not treated as an outcast. We were given a very warm welcome and everything was handled very meticulously. So we feel blessed to have finally made our move from Chicago to Sydney. Take care. Bye-bye.